Hello, good day, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always dropping by. My name is Daniel Adepoju. Thank you for following up to this moment. Thank you for staying put. And today I'm going to be taking you through another tremendous session on how to use the Meta Business Suite. I know you have been seeing it popping up quite a number of times when we want to run campaign and a lot of things. The reason being that you can run campaign directly using the Meta Business Suite, but I didn't want to use it, but I will show you how it works. So I have my Meta Business Suite here. So what I want to do is to just click on the Meta Business Suite, and bam, it loads me to my page. If you click on the image icon at the top panel bar here by the left hand side, it will bring my other pages which I don't want to do. So it will show us everything. So this is where it will bring you immediately. This is the interface it brings you here. I will be showing you the basic things you can do with Facebook Meta Business Suite. So I can create a post. So I can decide to create my post here, add a photo to my page, which I'm not willing to do. You can create your reel, you can create your story, you can create your ad here, and you can add photos here. And you can also create to Instagram. So that means you can cross post to both Instagram and Facebook from Meta Business Suite here. So you can invite new users in the Meta Business Suite. You can schedule posts from here instead of going to Chrome. You can also reply and respond to all your messages here. You can reply and respond to all your messages here. You can also grow your audience, and they will give you different suggestions and different things. And also, you can connect your Instagram account here. You can connect your Instagram account here. So these are the things they will show you here. You have your heart. You can invite your friends. You can check out comments. You can check out your trends. Those are the latest trends on your campaign. You can do your settings, and you can also connect them on the help center. So in this setting here, you can do some basic automations. You can actually book appointments. You can connect your Instagram, and you can share data. So let's just check our automation. So you can use it for instant replies, away messages, application received, and I clicked on see all, and you see other things you can use it for here. So Facebook Meta Suite is a very, very effective app when it comes to doing it faster and doing a lot of things based on your page, So these are my recent posts here that the page is showing to me, and I've been able to reach 661 people. I've not run ads on this page at all. So let's go to the next side, which is this, and this is where I see my post. I can go ahead to see my reels, to see my stories. I don't have none. My mentions and tags, I see them here, my photos and my planner. So my photos, I can see them here. My planner The next thing I want to see is my messages. So I can connect my Instagram account and see my messages. The next thing here is my notifications. I have my notifications here, and I can also come here, which is the more tools, and we see a lot here from create. And if you want to create, you have posts, you have reels, you have photo, you have story, and you can create live, which is for Facebook only. That's live streaming to Facebook. You can also run ads from this place. Okay. So if you want to run ads, you click on ads, which you have seen there. So you can go ahead to create your ad. But I cannot create ad because my own personal ad account, my advertising access has been restricted. So I cannot run ads. So if you want to run ads, you can run ads simply by either running the simple ads of just reaching people on a mini note, or you can run the mega Facebook ads, which involve you selecting the audience, which is the proper Facebook campaign. So I can also click on my business information and help Facebook to know me more. So I can click on start the questionnaire, and they begin to give me different things that I will fill, which will help them to be able to position me right on the online space. So the next thing is insight. Insight is what will help you to know how many people you have reached, Who are the people that have liked your post? How many people visited your page? How many likes you had over the past few days? Over the past few days. So the next thing we'll go to is a planner. That's on scheduling a post. So I can create a planner for a post, a reel, a story, or for an ad. So another next thing we have here is business feed. The next thing we have here is appointment. The next thing we have here is event. The next thing we have here is orders. The next thing we have here is sending feedback. So you can explore the Facebook Business Manager. Basically, all you have in the Facebook Meta Business Suite, you have it also in Chrome. But here is easier to access. That's why I just brought you here to show it. I don't want this video to be longer than this. Please go ahead and check other things, and you will see more and more things that are under the business suite. So thank you very much for your time. Please do well to always practice what you are learning. Do well to follow through the videos. Do well to do it immediately you are seeing it. And I promise you, you are going to see the valued result. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.